Dear student, now we start MCQ practice test of your science subject, and which is about unit number 15 and which is our environment. In this set you will get 10 MCQ of this unit. Next 10 MCQ will be uploaded soon in next batch. So without wasting time, take one pen and plain page and write down your answer. Here we go first for the first question. Which of the following is the biodegradable? Aluminum can, polythene bag, cow dung, DDT. Which is the correct answer for this question? Just write down in your page. Here we go for the next question. Which of the following is the abiotic component of an ecosystem? And its option is humans, bacteria, plants, fungus. Choose the right option for this question and write in your page. Next question is, which one of the following pairs belong to the categories of primary consumers? And your option is eagle and snake, grasshoppers and cattle, snake and frog, water beetles and fish. These are the options for this question. Read each question carefully and take time because it's just a practice test. Hope you write the answer. Here we go for the next question. Which of the following chemical causes depletion of the ozone layer? And here option is carbon tetrachloride, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, G carbon monoxide. Which one is correct for this question? Just write down in your page. Next question is, in the food chain, the third trophic level always occupied by herbivore, carnivore, decomposer, producer. Which will be a third trophic level occupied? Or which will occupy the third trophic level? Choose the right answer and write in your page. Here we go for the next question. The depletion of ozone layer causes global warming, earthquake, increase UV radiation, acid rain. Clear? It's a global warming, not a warning. It's just a typing mistake. So read the question carefully. Depletion of ozone layer causes global warming, earthquake, increase UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation, or acid rain. I hope you got the answer. Here we go for the next question. Which one of the following is an artificial ecosystem? And your option is lake, forest, pond, crop field. Choose the correct answer for this question and write in your page. Here we go for the next question. What will happen if all the deer are killed in the given food chain? Grass, deer, lion. And its option is the population of grass decrease, the population of lion increase, the population of lion remain unchanged, the population of lion decrease and grass increase. Pick up a right option among all the four options and write in your page. Take time for read each and every question. It's just a practice test. Here we go for the next question. Which of the two in the following sets belong the same trophic level? Option A, grasshopper. Option B, goat, spider. Option C, hawk or rat. Option D, frog and lizard. Among all the option, which of two are belong to same trophic level? Here we go for the next question and last question of this unit of this set, and here it is. Excessive exposure to ultraviolet radiation causes inflammation of liver, cancer of skin, damage to the lungs and jaundice. So these are the options for this question. Pick up a right answer for this question. Hope you got all the answer and write all the answer in your sheet. Here we go to the next slide, and it's answer key. So match your answer with this answer key display on your screen, answer key which will be displayed on your screen. If you score 6 or above 6, then you will get a good in this practice. You will good in this practice test. If you score below 6, then you need a practice. So repeat this test twice and twice, and you will get definitely good result for this unit. Hope all of you enjoy. Thank you.